बाउंड्री पे जा रहा है। सिटी में आप रात को 10 बजे घूमो, 10:30 घूमो, ऐसी बात नहीं है। कश्मीर अभी बहुत अच्छा है। अभी थोड़ा वो कोरोना के वजह से थोड़ा लोग कम आ रहा है।
This song is appropriate for the place where I'm currently in. Welcome to Kashmir. So guys, right now I am in Dal Lake having shikara ride. It is the most popular attraction in Srinagar. It is well known for its shikara rides, houseboat stay and floating vegetable markets. It is surrounded by snow-capped mountains and Mughal gardens.
कुछ नहीं है, ये जो मीडिया वाला ये फैलाता है, ये एक बात को 10 बात बनाता है। यहाँ पे वैसा बात नहीं। अगर जाता भी झड़प, वो किसी समझो बाउंड्री पे जा रहा है। सिटी में आप रात को 10 बजे घूमो, 10:30 घूमो, ऐसी बात नहीं है। कश्मीर अभी बहुत अच्छा है। अभी थोड़ा वो कोरोना के वजह से थोड़ा लोग कम आ रहा है। मगर जनवरी में ये पूरा डल लेक फ्रीज हो गया था। डल लेक में पूरा टूरिस्ट घूमता था।
Then it is here, and it is here. So today we are in Sonmarg. You can see snow everywhere. Has breathtaking lakes and towering glaciers. It's an absolute paradise for trekkers.
You can enjoy several snow activities here like sledging, snow biking, skiing, and it's absolute fun doing all this.
कैसा लगा सर? सिस्टर ठीक है? ओके? हाँ मस्त मस्त सर।
उधर थोड़ा एडवेंचर है मगर मज़ा आता है बहुत ज़्यादा।
हाँ इधर देखो सिस्टर। बाय।
So guys, we are in Pahalgam right now. It is known as Valley of Shepherds. This place is completely surrounded by Himalayan mountains. There are many Bollywood films which have been shot in this place. I have never been to a place which is as beautiful as this. We took a pony ride to reach at the top, and this place is also known as Mini Switzerland. Let me show you the view. You can see right now it is completely foggy. Hi guys, I am in Betab Valley right now. So this valley is named after famous Bollywood movie Betab, starring Sunny Deol and Amrita Singh. Come to the famous tulip garden in Srinagar. This is Asia's largest tulip garden. There are 650 varieties of tulip flowers in this garden.
The Tulip Festival is held at the beginning of spring in Srinagar between the month of March and May, and it lasts for 15 days or a month.
Right now I am in Gulmarg. I'm so lucky to witness snowfall here. We took a gondola to reach phase 1, and here we'll spend some time. After that we'll visit phase 2 as well. Last but not the least, I want to pass this message to everyone who plans to visit Kashmir and a little bit apprehensive of the safety of this place. I would like to state that this is as safe as any other tourist place in India. I spent time in Srinagar, Sonmarg, Gulmarg and Pahalgam and found all of these places to be not just safe but also very warm and welcoming. people in Kashmir are very warm towards tourists, and everyone you meet here are extremely helpful. So do visit Kashmir. I can promise it will be a lifetime experience, and it's literally heaven.